How to stage a house for selling. Well, hey sellers, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for your weekly dose of real estate wisdom. We talk all about how to sell a home, how to buy a home, a lot of great tips that people really appreciate. Meanwhile, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be talking all about how to stage your home to sell it. So first, let's start with decluttering and depersonalizing. Buyers want to envision themselves living in your home, and it's hard to do that if your personal items are everywhere. You want to be able to remove family photos, personal collections, and excess furniture. And store away small kitchen appliances to make countertops look more spacious and clean. A deep clean is next on the list. Clean every corner of your home, including those often overlooked areas like baseboards, windows, and even your light fixtures. A clean home feels well maintained and ready for new owners. So if cleaning isn't your strong suit, considering just hiring a professional to come in and do all the cleaning for you. Now, let's talk about paint. Neutral paint colors appeal to the broadest range of buyers out there and can make your home appear larger and brighter. So soft grays, beiges, and warm whites are often the safest way to go. A fresh coat of paint can make a significant impact on your overall feel of your home as well. So proper furniture arrangement furniture arrangement can enhance the space's flow and highlight its best features. So you want to arrange furniture to create an open and airy feel. And in the living room, position seating to create conversation zones. In the bedroom, make the bed the focal point of the room. And a touch of nature goes a long way. So you want fresh greenery and flowers. They can make your home feel alive and more inviting. So place a vase of fresh flowers on the dining table or add a few potted plants in the living room. So just make sure that they are well maintained and that they look fresh. Light can be a massive difference. You want to open all the curtains and blinds and let in the natural light. Use lamps and light fixtures to brighten darker areas. Consider upgrading to LED bulbs. They provide a bright natural light and they are energy efficient. Every home has unique features that set it apart, so make sure these are highlighted. If you have a fireplace, arrange seating around it to make it the focal point of the room. Show it off. Show off the built-in shelving with a few tasteful decor pieces. Highlight outdoor spaces with fresh patio furniture. Curb appeal is crucial because it's the first impression buyers get of your home. They see it online and they see it when they pull up to your home. And make sure the lawn is mowed. The bushes are trimmed and the entryway is welcoming. Add a fresh doormat, potted plants, and maybe a seasonal wreath on the front door. Create inviting scenes throughout your home. Set a dining table with, neutral dishes and put a simple centerpiece on the table. Arrange, cozy throws and pillows on the couch. These touches help buyers envision themselves living there. And if you're serious about making an impact, consider hiring a professional stager. They have the expertise to make your home look the absolute best and appeal to the most buyers. It's an investment that can pay off by helping your home sell faster and for a higher price. And that's how you stage your house for selling. So if you have found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insider real estate tips. And meanwhile, stay around for the next video, and I'll see you then.